Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a 4-star Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, June the 29th, 2023. And I've already solved one puzzle, the Sudoku with 3 stars. So 3 puzzles remain: the binary, the tectonic, in Dutch they call it cyber block, in Japanese suguru, and the last one, is a 4-star Sudoku. Yes, 4-star Sudoku number 6674. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4-star puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4-star puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me see. Let me scan the puzzle first. 3 ones we have here. 2, 3 2s. We have here 3 3s, 2 4s, 3 5s, 2 6s, 2 7s, 2 8s, and 3 9s. It's divided. Let me see. We have a 9 and 8 in this column, the 9 and 8 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for 9 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. A pair, 9 and 8, 9 and 8. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above. Row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1. Alright, here we have 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this row should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing. 4, 7, 9. And look, we have a 9 and a 7 in this column, so no 9 and 7 in this box. 9 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and a 7, 9 and a 7. So 1 digit left in this row for number 4. Alright. 1, 1. I need a 4 here. I need a 7 here. Come on. I need a 6 here. 3, 3, 3, 5. Interesting. Yeah. I need a 1 here. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the second row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in the middle column, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. We have a pair. The 1 and the 9 in the first row, the 1 and the 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes and there. Alright, hey, 9. Need a 9 there, okay. Alright, now. Let me see, 4, 7. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So third row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Oh, there we see 5 in the last column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column. 5 in the last column. So the column between, only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. Alright, 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above the only place left for the 7 should be there. Then, let me see. 2 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 7 goes there. 4 and 6. Okay. No. 3 and a 6. Alright. Need a 6 here. How about 1, 2, 3, 1, 6, and I need an 8. Yeah. We have here 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have 8 in the last column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. Here and 8 in the middle row, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. And we have a pair. The 1 and 8 in this column, the 1 last column, the 1 and 8 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 8, 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. So 1 digit left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square form is the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 3 goes there. 3. Alright, so the 7, 2, 4. Interesting. Alright. 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 6, 3, 4. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, and look, we have a 4 and a 6 in this column, so no 4 and a 6 in this box. 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in the second column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for number 3. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Oh, there we see a 3 in the second row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 7. We have a 7 in this column, third column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column, so the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Or there we see a 9 this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9. Okay, cannot continue with the 9 now. How about 2 missing numbers in the second column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 2 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 to 2, 3 to 4 to 5, 6 is missing, 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 6 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 to 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing, 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next on that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the second row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Two missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. The 1 and the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 7 and a 9, we have a 7 now in the last column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and then 9 goes and there. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and 9, we have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for the number. The 1, the 2 is missing. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in the last row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in the last row, 7 in a row above, so in that row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 1 and an 8, we have a 8 here in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below, so last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, the same numbers, I believe. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Cannot believe this. Faster than the previous Sudoku, although it has 4 stars and 24 printed digits. We solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the taxonic. Until then, bye bye for now.